These foods seriously look like they came from a luxury restaurant. But guess what? They're actually super cheap and incredibly easy to make at home. Today, we're making delicious foods that look expensive, taste amazing, and cost way less than you'd expect. Let's get started. First, let's make something creamy, rich, and restaurant-style. Creamy garlic pasta. Start by boiling your pasta in hot water until it becomes soft and perfectly cooked. While the pasta cooks, let's prepare the sauce. Place a pan on medium heat and melt a little butter. As soon as the butter melts, add freshly chopped garlic. Stir it slowly and let the garlic cook until it turns slightly golden and releases that amazing aroma. This is the moment when your kitchen already starts smelling like a fancy restaurant. Now pour in some milk and stir gently. Add cheese and a little black pepper. Slowly mix everything together until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy, and rich. Drain the pasta and add it directly into the sauce. Toss everything together slowly so every piece of pasta gets coated in that creamy garlic sauce. The final result looks luxurious, glossy, and incredibly satisfying. But the funny thing is, it's made from very simple and cheap ingredients. One bite and it feels like something you'd order at an expensive cafe. Now let's make something soft, sweet, and absolutely beautiful. Fluffy pancakes. Take a bowl and add flour, milk, 1 egg, and a little sugar. Mix everything slowly until the batter becomes smooth and creamy without any lumps. Heat a pan and lightly grease it with butter. Pour the batter onto the pan and let it spread naturally into a perfect circle. After a few moments, small bubbles will start appearing on the surface. Carefully flip the pancake and cook the other side until golden brown. Repeat the process and stack the pancakes on top of each other. Now comes the best part. Slowly pour syrup over the stack and watch it drip beautifully down the sides. The pancakes look soft, fluffy, and luxurious. The syrup shine makes everything look incredibly aesthetic and satisfying. It feels like a high-end breakfast from a fancy cafe, but it's actually very simple and affordable to make. Next, let's make something crispy, juicy, and seriously addictive. Crispy chicken bites. Start by cutting chicken into small bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, season the chicken with salt, black pepper, and your favorite spices. Add flour and coat every piece properly. Now heat oil in a pan. Once the oil becomes hot, carefully place the chicken pieces into the oil. Immediately, you'll hear that satisfying sizzling sound. Fry the chicken until every piece turns perfectly golden brown and crispy. The outside becomes crunchy, while the inside stays juicy and tender. The texture, the sound, and the color make these chicken bites look exactly like expensive restaurant appetizers. And honestly, the crunch sound alone is enough to make anyone hungry. Now it's time for dessert, and this one looks incredibly expensive. Let's make a chocolate lava mug cake. Take a mug and add flour, cocoa powder, milk, sugar, and a little chocolate in the center. Mix everything together until smooth. Now place the mug into the microwave for a few minutes. As it cooks, the cake rises beautifully and creates a soft chocolate texture. But the magic happens when you cut it open. Warm, melted chocolate slowly flows out from the center like lava. The glossy chocolate, soft cake texture, and warm steam make this dessert look luxurious and irresistible. And the best part? It takes only a few minutes to make. And finally, let's make something refreshing, creamy, and aesthetic strawberry milkshake. Take fresh strawberries and add them into a blender. Pour in cold milk, sugar, and some ice cubes. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. The bright pink color instantly makes it look premium and eye-catching. Pour the milkshake into a clear glass slowly. Add whipped cream on top and a small strawberry for decoration. The final drink looks cold, refreshing, and cafe quality. Simple ingredients, but the presentation looks absolutely luxurious. So there you have it. Cheap foods that look expensive and taste amazing. Simple ingredients, easy cooking, but the final results look like luxury restaurant meals. Which one would you try first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more satisfying and viral food videos. Because great food doesn't have to cost a fortune.